Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 357 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have a really fun, exciting product to try out, and I also wanted to do kind of a PR unboxing. So this is from the brand Diva Beauty and it says Handmade Eyeshadow Palette, and I am so excited to try this out and see how it's going to look. I have not opened the package yet, so I wanted to save that for an unboxing on camera. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. It's really cute wrapping, the way that they mailed it to me. This is very securely packaged. Okay. Oh, so cute. I just really appreciate the presentation here. So the first one here. All right, so this one says Diva Beauty Handmade Eyeshadow Palette Glamour Collection. Whoa. Oh my gosh, how nice is this? Then you get this like silk satin pouch. Whoa, this is so cool. Looks like it's like carved wood. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice and unlike any palette I've ever felt before. It is like out of wood. Oh my gosh, and they have a mirror on the back here and 4 beautiful shades. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, I'm going to get into this, but first I'm going to check out that other palette. So now this one is the Classic Collection. I love these satin pouches. They are such a cute touch that I will definitely get good use out of. And then this one is in that same beautiful wooden palette. Now let's check out this Classic Collection. Ooh. Wow. Oh, these ones look really pretty too. They look so metallic, and I love that there's a mirror on the back. Each one of these is a handmade eyeshadow palette. So I have the Classic Collection, I have the Glamour Collection, and on the back here it says the ingredients, and they are both vegan, not tested on animals, which I love. Made in Georgia, so I love to support small, handmade, kind of local brands, indie beauty. So I'm very excited to try these out. And of course, I will link all of this information down below if you want to check these palettes out for yourself and support this brand. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch each color. Okay, so here are the swatches, and I will also insert a picture so you can get a better view. But so here is the Glamour Collection, which are the top 4 colors. And then this one is the Classic Collection for the bottom 4 colors. And you can see that the white and the gold are the same in each palette, but then you get 2 different colors depending on which collection. And these swatched so beautifully. They're really pigmented metallic shades, and they have that kind of sticky texture, which make them very like long wearing and smudge proof because they have that sticky texture to them. I'm just going to start out by priming my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in order to give this eyeshadow a fair chance. And if you want to see my review on this eyeshadow primer potion, I will link that video down below. But I have a lot of creases in my eyelids, so it's so important to me to prime my eyes before using eyeshadows, especially an eyeshadow for the first time when I don't really know how it will perform. And then I'm going to be using my brush set here, which I love this brush set. I will link this down below as well if you want to check it out. You get, I think it's 24 brushes for like less than $10, and they're such great quality, so I love this brush set. And going into the classic collection, I'm going to start out with a crease shade, and I'm going to use this brown shade here. This mirror is so nice. I will say all of the shades are these beautiful metallics, so there's not the typical matte brown crease shade, so just going to make do with this here. Yeah, even with this brush, this is applying with so much pigment, and I only went in with like a tiny little bit, but I'm getting so much beautiful color payoff. I almost feel like I went in with too much product, and I barely put any on my brush, which is kind of a good problem to have. But yeah, I'm not having any issues with blending. It looks really nice, easy to blend out, even though it is more of that, like I said, sticky, thicker type of powder. And then just to play around with some of the colors, I'm gonna go in with this, it's like an orangey copper shade, and I'm going to press that into the outer corners. And I'm just going to apply that with my finger. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Wow. Just shows up so vibrant, and just lightly tapping this color into my eyelid is all it takes for that like full, bright, opaque, foiled color. That is just so quick and easy to apply. I don't even have to like rub my finger at all, just dab it on, and it's in the perfect place with the perfect amount of full color. Just blend those edges out a bit. And then I'm going to go into the Glamour palette, and I want to take this really pretty red burgundy shade and place that on the inner part of my eyelid, on the center. I'm just amazed by how it only takes the tiniest little bit of product to get such beautiful, full color and shine. And I also just noticed that I have the perfect color combination to do like beautiful sunset eyes, which I love that color combination. And then I'm just going to go back in and blend again. And then sticking with that sunset theme, I'm going to take the gold and place that in the inner corners. It does kind of seem like the gold is more of like a pressed glitter than a metallic foil. So you can kind of see more individual glitter pieces of the gold, which is so beautiful. Wow, it's such a beautiful bright gold. So now I just want to clean up the edges a little bit, but you know what? There's like not even fallout to this. I think because it is that more of a sticky texture, that fallout is not an issue, which is great. And then I'm just going to finish this look off with a little bit of mascara, going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, which I love this mascara. If you want to see my review on this, I can also link that video down below. I know that my makeup look is not going to look fully complete, but just to get the gist of it. Okay, so here is the final look of just playing around with these eyeshadows, and it's a really fun look. I mean, but we're not judging this product on my eyeshadow application skills. I'm judging it on the formula, and I'm not even gonna lie, I think that these are the best metallic eyeshadows I've ever used. They're just so pigmented, so bright, so easy to apply, and gosh, they look so good on my eyelids. I'm not having any creasing issues. They just look so pretty. And to incorporate these metallics with other matte shadows, I think would be so beautiful. They are such a perfect like accent. Take that eyeshadow look to the next level with the shine, the sheen, the sparkle. I'm just so happy with how it looks. I'm so excited about this brand. Sometimes you don't really know what to expect out of a product that's not in those major retailers, and you could feel apprehensive being like, well, is this even going to be good if it's not sold at Sephora? But this just goes to show that the products can be amazing, because this one right here is so good, and also it feels completely comfortable on my eyelid. It doesn't even feel like there's anything on my eye. It's not itchy at all, even though it is that very sparkly texture and finish. Doesn't feel like there's anything on my eyelids. So I love how comfortable this is too. And also just how cool does this palette look? This wooden palette, it's just going to look so good in my makeup collection, so I'm so happy that I have these now. If you're someone that loves a beautiful metallic eyeshadow, I highly recommend these. I really think that you should check out the brand Diva Beauty, and also these are handmade. I can't even believe that. They are such great quality. Let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried this brand, if you are going to be checking them out. I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.